Well, let's take a look at what is happening in the markets, and we start off with the JSE that has traded in the red today. Even though we did get good news on the unemployment front with a decrease there in the third quarter by 1.4 percentage points to 32.1%. We are seeing a sea of red on that front, the all share declining more than 2/3%. That largely being led by the Resources 10 complex that has taken more of a knock today, extending the losses that we saw yesterday, nosediving by more than 3.5%. The Financial 15 relatively flat, just 0.03% below that flat line, and actually so is the Industrial 25 there, just a 0.02% lower than yesterday. Let's take a look at what is happening in the US markets, and over there, of course, we have been digesting the post-election rally. That seems to have taken a pause today, seeing a little bit of a pullback there. The tech-heavy Nasdaq declining almost 0.8%. The Dow there declining by almost 0.33%, and the S&P 500 giving up almost 0.1%. Let's take a look at what is happening in the European markets, and negative sentiment filtering through to those markets as well, particularly on the CAC 40, declining almost 2.5%. The DAX, they're shedding almost 2%, and the FTSE 100 slumping more than 1%.